Hey there, everyone. Nice to see you. It is episode 38 of Project 2 of the Joy of Functional Game Dev. We are headed towards the big 4.0, and let's just get going. The release is v0.37, which means nothing. I was not able to put any time in between episodes. Let's get right to it. I got in my devlog, I wanted to sell equipment, and I want to put the main menu. The main menu I have over here. It's not going to be complete functionality for the main menu, but we're going to at least have the main menu in there. So let's get going. When last we left our hero, we have a boat. We have a boat and 20 bucks. Hey, look right there by an island. How nice. I'm going to buy a nice expensive fishing net. Leaving me with 57 cents. And now I might like to sell equipment. What would you like to sell? Never mind. Don't have the list. So let's. Pardon me. I think I'm getting some sort of cold thing, so don't mind me. Buy and sell equipment and counter detail, and when we have it, we've got those, and we want to transform our choices based on what we've got. So our first thing we're going to do, well, we're also going to need let boat properties equal get boat properties from PlayState. Okay. And now let choices equal, we'll start with choices. And what we're going to do is, it's going to be one of these. We have choices and boat properties and my equipment. And we're going to sequence.fold. And our state is the choices. Fun choices. Equipment choices. Equipment. Okay. So, and now equipment is a piece of some equipment details. What do I have in here? Equipment dot type. So I have a type, and then somewhere in my equipment type I have the names of things. Right? So here in my map object, equipment types. Right. So my equipment template. Right. Okay, equipment templates. I should probably look up here. So equipment template, equipment type. So let's grab the name of it. We can do that here. Let the name and the equipment type. So it's equipment dot equipment type. It's called type. So the name will be a string. And it's going to be, so our price for it, we'll do a couple things. Let base price equal, well, let's do a few lets. Let equipment type equal equipment dot type. And we don't need to do all these weird things. So island equipment prices of equipment type. So that's the base price. So now let factor here, so it's really, we'll call it X for now, because it is equipment dot durability. That's a float. That's good. All right, divided by equipment maximum durability. And that'll be a float. And what I want to also do, well, so let call it a fraction. So this is the fraction that remains of the rest of the value. So yeah. So let price then equals base price times fraction divided by 2.0. 2.0 being a complete constant here, and so that is, and also I need a I need an index. Choices, index. Okay. After return index plus 1. This will make sense in a minute. And the choices will be that, and then fist. We're going to fist it. And this will just be choices there. Because this is all about, so the fair market value is base price times the fraction divided by 2. So if it had 1.0, it would still be 50%, which is very common among RPG-ish type games. You buy something for 10, you can sell it for 5, but that's if it's in perfect shape. If it's used, then however much it's used, you'll lose the value of. All right. So there's the base price. We have a name, we have base price, and we have the fraction. Do we really need all the? Why not? It does. What does it hurt? What does it hurt to have things? So then, what to do? Choices, sequence, dot append. Wait, is this a? These are lists, aren't they? So the choices, that's a list. List dot append. It's going to be new item. Text equals something, and response equals, for now we'll just call it common cancel, just so we can see, are we, okay, we're cool there, but what is the actual response that we want to give to it? And for that, we care about this. So sale encounter response. So it is a sale, equipment, and my index. Yes. Sale, equipment, index. Will it be cool or will it underline? Okay, we're good. That's printf. Gonna do %s, then $.2f. %s, %.2f. So we're putting two things in here. Name, price. Fair market value. Sorry. Okay, so now, after purchasing it, it should be in the list of these things. And let's see what happens. Let's go. I would love to see if this at least lists things. Come on, where's an island? Come on, there we are. Buy sell equipment. We're going to buy a expensive fishing net. Okay, and we're going to sell equipment. So the fishing net for $7.99. Perfect. That's perfect. That's wonderful. Of course, we're going to say, never mind. And how do we want to do? Do we want to do this? What we're going to do here. Now, I don't need to do list append, do I? At choices. Because there is an operator that does exactly this. So, there we go. Now, where is my buy sell counter choice? So when I sell equipment, create sell equipment counter D. So when I sell it, purchase equipment, apply spin. Okay, and what's it called? Where'd it go? Sale equipment and index. All right. Sale equipment index. Sell equipment detail dot location index PlayState. That's going to go to PlayState and sum. This here function doesn't exist yet, but that's okay. Let internal sell equipment. We need a location. Cell location, a index, which is an int, and old PlayState, which is a PlayState, and returns. Also returns a PlayState. So here's the rest of the signature. Right. Now, let's get this thing back in some sort of order. So, similar to these, I need, got those. The piece of equipment, is there like a list.nth? No. So, my goodness. Okay. A list is really just a linked list. So let's take a look. F sharp list. We'll call it dot map. It's not dot map, but it'll put us in the area that we care about. Max min by nth. There's an nth. I want nth. First element is 0. So list dot nth. Give me that. Thought there'd be something like that. So in selling the equipment, so let equipment equal about properties dot equipment list dot nth. I don't see a list dot nth though. List partition? In a way. So, but how can I do this? I don't have a state. Interesting. Why don't I have a list.nth? Am I using the wrong version of F sharp? Any case, alright, I don't have a list.nth. So, we're going to come up with a different way. List partition is sort of what I want to do. And sort of, well, it's a very list.nth. It is here. It's here. Just name get. Aww. That seems to be the one. Let's try find index. Turns index first element satisfies given predicate. Well, this is a sad thing. List dot. There's no nth. No, I guess not. Really. Oh. Skip and then take. So list dot skip index list dot take. So then equipment this is a list. It's a sequence. Is there a sequence dot end? And this is the fun part. So where is seek? Collections dot seek. Collections dot seek. What can we do with seek? We can do seek. This one also has an nth. Of course not. So sequence.nth. Hope seems to be okay. Alright. So the equipment is then an equipment. Okay. Why doesn't it show up? Oh, let's see. It's very strange to me. And alright. I ain't gonna question it. Okay, it is there. Thanks, IntelliSense. Thanks, Visual Studio. That's the piece of equipment. And then, see the remaining equipment. So that's going to get sold. So this is equipment sold. Let remaining equipment equal boat properties. So my state is going to be boat properties.equipment. I'm going to fold on it. I'm going to start with sequence empty, boat properties equipment, and I'm going to and comma 0. Equipment, I'm going to do a sequence.fold. So fun. Equipment index. And we're going to do equipment. Oh, yeah. It's equipment. It's equipment detail. Why is it? It doesn't like it because it's missing a function body. Of course it is. If if index equals index, then else. Index equals index. Otherwise, I'm just going to go equipment. Equipment index plus 1. Otherwise, sequence dot append. And then what do we add? Equipment detail. All right, that's right. It's got to be right. Okay. So remaining equipment, which is now a new sequence times int, and we're gonna fist it. So we now have remaining equipment and equipment sold, and about properties. We have to redetermine the island equipment prices. We'll do the base price equals island equipment prices at. I'll do another let equipment type equals equipment sold type. That's equipment type. Let fraction equal equipment dot sold dot durability over equipment sold max durability and let fair market value equal base price times fraction factoid divided by 2.2.0. So there's our fair market value, and then finally, is there a set boat? Did I put it in? Did I put that set boat properties? I don't remember if I did or I didn't. So where's my get boat properties? I wanted to set my boat properties. Set boat properties. About stinking time, because that sucks. So let boat properties prime equal boat properties with equipment equals remaining equipment. Wallet is equal to boat properties, not wallet, plus fair market value. And finally, set PlayState, set boat properties, boat properties with apostrophe. And one of the first things is that this is the same no matter which. So what's your problem here? What does sell like? Wait, sell like buy equipment, sell equipment. What now? Oh, I need a new name. I'm gonna call it 2. Sell equipment 2. No, because it's not item. Ah, very good. Well, there's that. Sell equipment 2. Well, call it index. Sell equipment. Ah, well, we'll do the exact same thing. Sell equipment item. Yes, we will. So then, we should be able to actually do this. Okay. Not bad for half an hour's worth of work, eh? We're going to buy a piece of equipment. We're immediately going to sell that piece of equipment. And the wallet should be all correct. Ooh. Getting pummeled by the storm today. Ooh. Hope I ran into that one. That one was my fault. Where are you, islands? There you are. I'm going to buy a piece of equipment. Going to sell the piece of equipment and I don't have it anymore because I didn't. Okay. Where's the thing where I clear encounters? There it is. Didn't do that. Try it again. I want to make sure it works. Alright. There we are. Okay. Buy a fishing net. Sell fishing net. I should still be able to buy another fishing net. I should be able to sell the fishing net. And now can't do anything. Perfect. Welcome to Kahip. Prior visits 4. Sure thing. So, we can now buy and sell equipment. Go to the devlog, we can sell equipment. We've done it. Yay for us. We now need to get into the main menu. And the main menu has a little to do with the event handler. So there's my key down events. So when I am doing this, I need my free movement table. I need a key, probably F10. So let's go to command type. Go to the definition. Command type, move, menu of menu commands. So those are menu commands. What is it? Well, it'll just be menu select. Menu, sure, why not? So, dot F10 command dot menu select. So in my free movements, so I'm handling my So some this, which needs to be parenthesized, and it's a little too far over one. My move boat func, I don't want to do that. So let's go with a main menu encounter details. Add a new item, code main menu encounter details. Okie dokie. So this thing need a simple one. I don't want create main menu encounter details. Create main menu encounter detail. And what sort of thing do I need? I need these various things. Okay. At the moment, no. Really? What's the problem here? Going to figure some of this out, undoubtedly. We'll call this return to game. Game. I don't, at this time, need island boat properties or anything else. So you know what I need? I need so let boat location equal get boat location PlayState. We'll just call it location. Ugh. location, PlayState. So this is just regular old choices. We're going to go with an empty message list. We're going to go with the title of main menu, and I need to how are these other ones used? State with encounters equals sum. Well, so it's an encounter detail. So create main menu encounter detail. I'm going to need this one over here. Open. Save everything. With encounter state and do I need game state? I got game state. Encounter details. Encounter detail state. It's a PC encounter sum. Right? Game state A option. Oh, and then to play state and sum. So that all, ooh, it all works. But does it really? Let's build, see what happens. I don't have a handler. Okay, so it does that. I still need my encounter choice. So, oh, and I need, what kind of encounter am I? Encounter type dot. Or dot menu, I suppose. Let's go to the definition. Because encounter type menu of menu type. Let's put the type there. Type menu type equals main. Okay. I'm sure we're going to need other ones. So I'm going to need to save menu, load menu, whatever. Other things. So in my encounter choice, so I need menu, main, apply main menu, PC, encounter choice, details, play state. I don't think I really, what is, there's not a whole lot of state to it exactly. No, I guess I need it. Tells that type. So encounter type dot. Okay. And then it realizes that it's angry because it doesn't know what that is. So main menu encounter choice, we'll make a new one. Add new item. Main menu encounter choice. That one has to go up that way one. Apply main menu encounter choice, details, and play state. Grab that. let details, which is encounter details, and place state, which is a place state of whatever. Goals. And it's assuming that I'm going to return a game state option. Okay. We can make that assumption. That's okay. And we will grab our opens. I don't need this many. Probably get away with that. And let's get rid of these while we're here. Game state I definitely need. Probably these other ones. It's likely. Encounter details is not defined. Where are we? Oh, encounter detail with no S. There. And how are these other things? They match detail giving counter response. Well, really, we just do ye old boilerplate it. Well, no matter what you choose, detail. No matter what you do, get rid of the encounter. At the moment, that can work. So what is F10? Getting tired, folks. It's not that late, but sometimes. So now I should be able to open up my main menu and immediately close it, which is not the most startling thing in the world. But it's build errors. No. You know, why would I ever want to run my main menu? Because it's in here. Why in the world? Still failed. Oh, type is encounter menu, and that's main. Okay, go. So I want to see it, and then we got a good start for our main menu. We'll put a couple more things on there. We're not going to make it do anything just yet. I think that's going to be for next time. Let's check it. Do we got it? So F10. Once I get here, if I hit F10, hey, main menu, return to game. And I can do that all day. Neat. Good times. Let's take a look. Now we need quit game, save game, load game. Quit, save, load. So I need a new game? Probably need a new game here. Always. New game. So that'll completely redo. So new, save, load, quit. Don't know quite what I want to do there. I think this is just going to be called boat menu. And this is going to kind of be, it is only if I have known islands. Islands. So I'm just going to hit, I can save. I don't really need new. Or just call this one resume. Alright. So call you resume. Okay, and so no, quit, save, load, boat, island. Ooh. Save. Load. Quit. Make your selection. I think there's something not quite right with the messages. Now, do I need... I think I want submenus here. So really it's would this be game? This is boat. Game. Boat. Islands. Yeah, I think this is I think this is what I want it to have. So I resume. Boat. Islands. Game. Game will then, so that's the resume. Islands, and always game. So this is the game menu. Save, quit, new. Probably options. Then we're gonna need a boat menu. This is kind of an island menu. There we go. See, now we're getting some cool stuff ready to go. So resume, but at the moment, we're gonna open that up and we're gonna close it pretty much with anything. Is my menuing dialogue thing a little tedious? Perhaps. But it'll work well with a gamepad, and that's one of the things that I really wish to add. So I've done resume boat island game. Neat. So with that, we've got, let's go to devlog here. So main menu, done. So now I need game menu, boat menu, island menu, mini map. I also want, what else did I want to do? Menu, boat menu, mini map, game controller. These are the things I want to do next. And really, should this be on the Trello board? Probably, but it's more in line with the kind of thing I want to do. Short list, so that we know what's next. And really, the next one, game menu, because really in here, quit, confirm, quit. That's simple. I want to save and load, Because my understanding of things is that serialize F# record. It is my understanding F# serialization of records type. I know how to serialize, deserialize using record types. Uses that to so there's all kinds of good stuff. Yeah. So apparently, yeah, you can. So that's JSON.NET 6.0. That's nice. Data. But anyway, not going to read this here. But so what we want to do is we want to save records out, and we want to read records in. And the thing is, since the whole thing's a record, why shouldn't I be able to do that? But that's one of the things coming up soon, and as well as boat menu. I don't know, equipment, inventory. We don't even have an inventory yet. I suppose equipment is all we got. Statistics. Sticks, which is really just health and wallet. But so we got lots of cool things to do, and then we have a fishing net. Maybe we should go fishing, and that would be an interesting thing. Fishing, okay. So lots of cool stuff on the horizon, but doesn't look like this project ends anytime soon. So thanks for hanging with me. It's going to be a lot more of a haul, but you don't want to be the guy who makes a video series that says, "Hey, I'm going to make a complete game," and then stop because it's like, "Whoa, it's taking too long." No, you're going to see it through. And yeah, I've been kind of making it up as we go. We got a good direction going on here. So in any case, thanks so much for going on this journey with me. And as always, keep the joy of functional game dev in your heart. See you next time.